A single developer in Austria just built something that had Sam Altman and Mark Zuckerberg in a literal bidding war. It's called OpenClaw, and honestly, it just changed the rules of the game. Today, I'm breaking down why the world's biggest tech giants are panicking over a bedroom project, why the Chinese government just issued a high-level warning about it, and what this means for your job by the end of 2026. Trust me, you're going to want to see how this ends. What is OpenClaw? So, what is the big deal? Well, meet Peter Steinberger. He built OpenClaw, originally called Claudebot. Now, normally, an AI is just a chat box. You talk, it talks back. Boring, right? OpenClaw is different. It's an agentic framework. That's a fancy way of saying the AI has hands. When you use OpenClaw, you aren't just chatting. You're giving an AI full permission to control your computer. You tell it, hey, find me a flight to Tokyo, book the cheapest one, and then clear out my spam folder. And it just does it. It moves the mouse, it clicks the buttons, it logs into your accounts. It's like having a personal assistant who lives inside your hard drive. No wonder it hit nearly 200,000 GitHub stars in record time. This is where it gets juicy. Mark Zuckerberg was reportedly texting Peter, trying to buy the project for Meta. Sam Altman from OpenAI was doing the same. In the end, OpenAI won. They acqui-hired Peter. But here's the catch. And this is the part that actually sounds like good news. OpenClaw is staying open source. Why would OpenAI pay millions for a guy but let his project stay free? Because they want his brain. They're trying to build personal agents that are baked into every iPhone and PC. They realized they couldn't beat the OpenClaw community, so they decided to lead it instead. But it's not all productivity and magic. On February 5th, the Chinese government actually issued a warning about OpenClaw. The problem is something called vibe coding. Because OpenClaw is so open, the AI can actually modify its own source code to fix its own bugs. Think about that for a second. An AI that can rewrite itself to become more powerful. Security experts are calling this a lethal trifecta. It has your data, it can act in the real world, and it can change its own rules. If someone hacks an agent like that, it's game over for your privacy. We're entering a world where your AI assistant could be your best friend, or your biggest security leak. And while the US is fighting over OpenClaw, DeepSeek just leaked their V4 model. They're using a cyborg brain architecture. Basically, they stopped trying to make the AI memorize everything. Instead, they gave it a thinking brain and an external hard drive for facts. This makes it way cheaper and way better at coding than GPT-4. If you're a developer, pay attention. The era of big AI might be ending, and the era of efficient AI is starting. So, are you excited to have an AI agent running your life? Or does the idea of a self-modifying robot having your credit card info terrify you? Honestly, I'm somewhere in the middle. Drop a comment below and let me know. Would you trust OpenClaw with your bank account? If you found this breakdown helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. I'm tracking these updates every single day so you don't have to. I'm Goaty Man King Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.